Okay, today I'll be making fish sambal. So this fish sambal was a special request from Shania and Sital. So Sital and Shania, this video is especially for you all. So to do the fish sambal, we need 3 onions, 10 cloves of garlic, we need dry chilies, we need fish. I'm using bawal fish and coconut. So first what we do is we blended the ingredients. Add in some water. So now we'll put the blended ingredient in the hot oil. Oh, the oil is not hot yet, but it's okay. It will be hot in a while. In this blended ingredient, you can also add in tomato. I did not add in tomato this time because my chilies they are not spicy at all. So if I put tomato, it become no spice at all. So you might have chili which are spicy, then you add in 1 tomato in the blended ingredient. So now we'll cook this for 10 minutes until the water is dry. And we'll put a teaspoon of sugar. 2 teaspoons of sugar. It's important to put the sugar because the chili is a bit acidic. So once you put the sugar, it neutralizes. So it will make the sambal tasty. So it won't be so spicy. So we let this cook for 10 minutes and then we'll take the next step after that. Now the water had dried and the chili had been cooked well. So we will put in the coconut now. This is from 1 coconut. Okay, those of you who cannot get access to fresh coconut, you will have the box coconut. So how much of coconut to put in? So basically you put half coconut, half cup of the box coconut, and add in 1 cup of water and mix it and then add to the sambal. So you need to cook the sambal even more because the chili need to be properly cooked. So that's why we're adding water some more. So take note of that. And because the sambal is a long process, so you need to cook it properly, cook it well, you need to get the right taste. So take note of that. So this will take another 10 to 15 minutes to cook and until it's dry. Then we'll add in the fish. So we'll give another 10 more minutes. So meanwhile you can also cover it so it doesn't splash. And now you can see the sambal has released some oil. When you see the oil coming out, it's a good sign. That means the sambal is well cooked. So at this point of time, we'll be adding the fish. So we'll add the fish now. After we have added the fish, we cook another 2 minutes. So when you put 3 onions, there's a lot of sambal. What I do is, if let's say the fish have finished and you still have the sambal, you can boil the eggs and just throw in in the sambal. So you will have egg sambal after that. So Sital and Shania, I hope you try the recipe and do comment on my channel. I will look forward for your comment, and if there's any other request, do let me know. I'll be happy to do a video for you.